Hello everyone, welcome to Day GK. This is Divya. In this video, we are going to see GK quiz on Indian Railways. Question number 1. Who is called the father of Indian Railways? Answer C. Lord Dalhousie. Question number 2. What is the mascot of Indian Railways? Answer C. Elephant. Question number 3. How many zones are there in Indian Railways? Answer C. 17. Question number 4. Which is the first railway station in India? Answer B. Victoria Terminus. Question number 5. In which year Indian Railways Board established? Answer A. 1905. Question number 6. When was first electric train started in India? Answer D. 1925. Question number 7. Who was the first railway minister of India? Answer D. John Mathai. Question number 8. Who is the present railway minister of India? Answer B. Ashwini Vaishnav. Question number 9. Who was the first female railway minister of India? Answer B. Mamata Banerjee. Question number 10. When did Indian Railway Act passed? Answer C. 1890. Question number 11. Which is the longest rail route in India? Answer D. Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari. Question number 12. Which is the longest railway bridge in India? Answer A. Bogeybill Railroad Bridge. Question number 13. The headquarters of North Eastern Railway is situated at? Answer C. Gorakhpur. Question number 14. Where was the first metro rail started in India? Answer B. Kolkata. Question number 15. Who is the Metro Man of India? Answer D. Elattuvalapil Sridharan. Question number 16. The Bandhan Express is an international passenger train which runs between India and which country? Answer B. Bangladesh. Question number 17. Which is the highest railway bridge in the world? Answer A. Chenab Bridge. Question number 18. What is the width of broad gauge railway line in India? Answer A. 5 feet 6 inch. Question number 19. What is the slogan of Indian Railways? Answer D. Lifeline of the nation. Question number 20. Which is the oldest railway zone in India? Comment your answer in comment section. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe Day to Day GK channel for daily current affairs quiz and GK quizzes.